our images from the internet, and we are going to learn how to desaturate those to make a design that's going to be based on one of your topics. My topic is based on phones and mobile phones and the way that they've changed. So I do need to get some phones from the internet, or you could use your own. Already, if you notice on here, I've got 2 already that I'm going to use, and I just need my 3rd one. So I'm going to go onto the internet. I've searched already mobile phones, and what I've done is I've gone right-clicked, and to get the image on its own, you can just open image in new tab. So it opens in a new tab, and then you can just drag over to your image like that and resize to the size you want. And then to desaturate, so I've got my 3 images now. I'm going to make one of them big, so you want to make one big. So that one will be my big one. And I want to make sure that they've all been rasterized so they are editable. So this one is editable, but you want to rasterize each of your layers. So do that for each of your layers. I'm going to make this one my medium one, and then make this one my smaller one. Maybe actually the other way around, because you can see that this is not as good quality. So maybe I will then go to my layer and make that a medium one, and make the black and white guy, go to the black and white layer and make him the biggest one, seeing as that's the better quality that I've got. So I've got my 3 images. Don't want to rotate that one, did that accidentally. And then I want to desaturate this. So I go to layer, I go to layer style. No, I don't. I go to image, adjust, and hue saturation. So I'll do that again. I did that too quick. Image, adjust, hue saturation, and then I desaturate that image. I can make that black and white. If I want to colorize it, I can change the color by going to colorize, and I can change the color of my phone. So I might want to make it a slightly different color. Okay, so I've got my 3 images now. I've got one which is black and white, one which is a slight color to it, and then one which is full color. And you can see in my image that I've got a black and white one, another black and white one, and a colored one. That's what I would like. Okay, that's the first tutorial.